Hey, I wanted to share this cool thing with PageSpeed Insights and what AI is doing to help you reach 100 performance score for your website. Now you can see here, I've utilized AI by using V0, Grok4, and I'm testing it with PageSpeed Insights. So for my corporate site, which is over here, I've basically utilized Grok4 and V0 to help me with everything according to speed. So on my mobile, I'm scoring 100. On my desktop, 100. As you can see, all green, all good. That's all I care about. So what I've done is I've written it in V0. I run the website on PageSpeed Insights, and then I get a performance score. And at the bottom, it tells you what you can do down here to improve your performance. Then I copy this data into Grok4, and Grok4 ranks them to tell me what to fix. It's awesome. I mean, this is a game changer. It's it's working AI versus AI to come up with the greatest solution for my website. So I can't beat 100 for my performance score, so I'm not even going to try. Time to move on to something else. All right. Hopefully this helps. Tune in tomorrow for another short little great video and let me know what you think.